Alright, here we go. Go ahead, hit the button. Alright, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Nah. Come on, money symbol. Not even it is, but the little coin. Talk about some bullshit. No. $845 penny winner. Let's go back to back. Just come. Let's go. All aboard. We're good, thank you.
We're looking for the money symbol?
Yep, just coins. Oh, that would have been nice. $10. Oh, $70. You see it? Let's go. Oh, that's good. $1,600 penny winner. Ooh, doggy. Watch out now. Oh. Oh, dude. That was big right there. 2 10s. I think we need three of the money symbols. Or 3 bonds. Twice. Keep getting the 2 bones. See that? That was $100. Wow.
Well, you can't play the same run.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta do my little trick. Main thing is we're getting you hella points too, that's good. Come on. Papa's the train. Yes. Good. Good. Exactly what we wanted. So now we're back to the train feature. Alright. Gotta get the stoplights. Or the gold, the stoplights or the gold train. Or anything, just keep it in the circles. I mean, come on. Come on, stoplights or gold trains. Come on, Greg. Oh, right there. But we start over at 3 spin. Come on, stoplight. Yes. Nice. Green train. I had seen people hit the major with this, but never have I. Minor, maybe. 10 cents, wow. I don't know how they can afford all that. Holy shit. Watch out now. Wow. Come on, we need stoplights. Or gold trains. Yes. Beautiful, bro. We get one more stoplight, we have the gold train right there. And then one more stoplight, we get that gold train. Come on. Yep, stoplights or gold trains. Oh, $10. That's huge. Yeah. Come on, go stoplight. Stoplight. Oh, or keep it alive. Come on, stoplight. Come on, stoplight. Oh, I seen it go by. 2 more spins. So you get anything to keep it alive. Oh my gosh. Come on, we gotta keep it alive, bro. Keep it alive. Yes. And we got the gold train. Beautiful, bro. Now we get one more stop, but we got 2 gold trains. Hopefully that's... Alright, pumps up the money. We need one more stoplight, bro. Come on. Stoplight. Stoplight. Alright, gold train. Good, pumps up the money. God, we get another stop. We got 2 gold trains. Come on, stoplight. Stoplight. Come on, stoplight. Come on, yes. Beautiful, brother. We got 3 gold trains. Now, if we get one more stop, we get the gold train feature. That's big money. All right. We want, if we can get red or green, that's huge. Tons of the money. Red or green? Okay. Purple. So this is gonna pump it up every single spin. We need one more stoplight, bro.
One more stoplight.
Come on, get it, bro. Come on, stoplight. Come on, stoplight. Stoplight. Come on. And that pumps up the money up. Every spin. We got 2 more spins, so we need something in any little circle again. Starts back over at 3, but we need a stoplight to get the gold train feature. Come on. Keep it alive. 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 Oh, I seen it too. Come on, bro. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Come on. Stoplight. Yes. That's good. Now we start back over at 3 spins. Green or red. Okay. Pumps up the money. Now we're back at 3 spins. Come on, we need a stoplight, bro. Come on, stoplight. Come on. Oh, fuck. It was right there. I seen it. But it's all right. We start back over at 3 spins. Ain't easy. As long as we get something in the circle, but stoplight's what we need. Come on, stoplight. Keep it alive. All right. Start back over at 3. And that's pumping up the money. Come on, stoplight. Come on. We got it. We got it, bro. It's giving it to us. It's going to give it to us.
Yeah, they didn't give it to us.
No, it's going to give it to us. It's going to give it to us. Come on, stoplight. Yes. I told you.
Got it.
Fucking huge. I don't know what it means we got 2. I never seen that. But we get, now that's the best at the end. So go ahead. Keep it going.
Okay.
We keep it spinning. Come on, gold trains. Gold trains. Gold trains. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Keep it going. Come on. Keep it alive. And we get money every spin. Get anything in the circle, then we keep it alive. Keep it alive. Alright? It's alright, more money. We gotta get one with some more, or we're off to the end. Keep it alive. Anything. That's alright. No big deal. Now we get the gold train feature. We get all this money. We have chance at the jackpots. So far we got 4,550 pennies. But now we got a chance at the big money. Let's go.
Now what am I stopping?
Hit that button.
What am I stopping?
You ain't got to stop it. Come on, big money, bro. Big money. The train's gonna come across the money. Come on, big money. 4 digits. Many. 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 Hey. 8,850 penny winner. Woo, doggy. Watch out now. Congratulations. Take that to the bank. For a total grand winner of 16,185 pennies.